fish in the sea go swim, swim, swim. With their tails and fins they glide and spin. Up and down they dart with grace, a colorful world in their watery space. The dolphins in the waves leap high, jumping, twisting, reaching for the sky. With a splash and a twist, they dance all around, making happy sounds without a sound. The turtles in the ocean move so slow. With their shells on their backs they always go. Through the deep blue sea they wander far, crossing the waves under the shining star. The octopus has arms galore, 8 long tentacles to explore. Changing colors, it's quite a sight. In the darkened sea, it's out of sight. The whales in the sea sing songs so deep, echoing through the waves as they sleep. With tails so grand, they swim with pride. In the ocean's depths, they glide and glide. The sharks in the sea go chase, chase, chase. With their teeth so sharp, they keep up the pace. Swift and silent, they swim on by, underneath the ocean so wild and shy. The seahorses in the coral sway, dancing softly in the gentle